So when we're looking at question number 3, we start here with the beginning of the sentence, and it says gourds, daikon radishes, and other vegetables are used. Okay, so we've started out with some type of list here, a list of these different vegetables. So clearly this is going to be my subject in the sentence, right? All of these elements are my subject. Now they're going to correspond with the verb. The verb so happens to be right here, are. And we have this comma rule that tells us we should never have a singular comma in between a subject and a verb. We could have 2 commas, right, if there were a non-essential clause here. But if my subject is this, I shouldn't stop my list with a comma. My subject is this entire list. My verb is are. There should be nothing in between the subject and the verb. So that makes me eliminate automatically answer choice A. I'm also going to eliminate answer choice B because we have a semicolon here, and a semicolon means I'm going to need an independent clause on the left, and gourds, daikon radishes, and other vegetables is just a subject, not a subject, verb, complete thought, so we can get rid of answer choice B. Answer choice C and D, at least we have the subject right next to the verb, but the difference here is there's a comma after used, and there is no comma after used for answer choice D. When we look back, we notice that it starts off after the comma for answer choice C with the word to, which is a preposition. We also have this rule where we don't like to put commas next to prepositions unless that preposition starts off a non-essential clause. But here, gourds, daikon radishes, and other vegetables are used. How are they used? To round out the orchestra. That's the rest of the complete thought. It's not a non-essential clause. So if this whole thing is going to be the complete thought, instead, oh, you'll have to excuse me, I'm still working on this. If this whole thing is going to be the complete thought, why would we cut it off with a comma? We don't put a comma next to a preposition like to unless it's a non-essential clause. So I'm going to get rid of answer choice C, and that leaves me with D. Apologies for the little